What's the meaning of cabal? Cabal. Cabal.
Cabal. Cabal. The word cabal generally refers to a small group of people who engage in secretive and illicit activities, often with the goal of gaining power or wealth. Such groups may be involved in conspiracy theories or political intrigue, and often operate in secrecy. The term has negative connotations due to its association with clandestine and unethical behavior, and is often used to describe groups or individuals who wield undue influence over government, business, or society as a whole. Overall, the connotation of the term cabal suggests that the group in question is engaged in activities that are outside the bounds of mainstream acceptable behavior.